Hi, my name is Morgan McAllister, an engineer here at WaySafe Trailer Hitches. Today we're going to be doing a comparison video between our true toe weight distribution hitch and competitors' product. Something we learned in the industry is that weight distribution hitches have been inadequate. They don't measure tongue weight correctly, and they are kind of a guessing game across the board. So something we were able to develop is our true toe weight distribution hitch. One is it helps with the speed of installation. It also helps you set it up truly or accurately to truly give you a distributed tongue weight, but also an increased performance on all of your axles and handling of your vehicle. Why be kind of safe when you can be way safe?